video is about riding the MRT. Hey, what's up guys? It's Jeremy Kruis. Today we're going to be riding the MRT. Okay, so you might have heard from your mom or like from around people that you know, they've warned you, oh, the MRT is dangerous, be careful, it's crowded. So today we're gonna kind of explore what it's like to ride the MRT. So we're here at the North Terminal. We're gonna head south, so we have to cross to the other side. So there's EDSA. Something I would recommend that you do is buy one of these. This is called a beep card, especially if you're going to be riding the MRT regularly. You're going to get one of these. So you can buy one of these for 100 pesos, and then you can just load it up with how much you need, and then you just beep your way in and out. Otherwise, you can also buy one-way fares at the little kiosk things. Let's go show them the kiosk. Something to expect is that you'll be checked with security. We'll check your bags, pat you down a little bit. And so over here we have the ticketing office. That's where you can refill your beep card, also buy beep cards. Here's a machine you can use to check your balance as well as refill your card. All right, let's check how much my card has. And I still have enough, so let's get going. Okay, so this is a pretty lucky chance that we get to actually sit on the MRT. Usually it's like super packed, but since today it's a holiday, there's a lot more space. I mean, you do have to kind of watch your belongings a little bit, but it's not as dangerous as you might think. So safety on the MRT, is it safe? Just in any other big city, you're gonna want to keep your valuables safe, right? So I don't think it's any more dangerous than any other big city. I think the MRT goes at about 60 kilometers per hour. So there's 13 stations on the MRT. It takes about 45 minutes to get from one end to the other. On a busy day, it'll take you maybe 3 hours to drive the distance of the MRT. So it's a huge time saver to take the MRT. The only thing is, on a busy day, it just gets really crowded. You want to avoid the rush hour as much as possible. So let's see if I can say all of the stations. So it starts out, if you start from the north, we're going to go from North Avenue to Quezon Avenue, and then Kamuning Station, and then Cubao Station, and then Santolan Station, and then Ortigas Station, and then Shaw, Boni, Guadalupe, Buendia, Ayala, Magallanes, Taft. So I kind of cheated and it was telling me. But yeah, those are the 13 MRT stations. So most people on their way to work will get on at the North Station or Quezon Avenue Station, and then they'll get off at Ayala Station, which is right near Makati. If you're a senior citizen, a woman, or a pregnant woman, there are special cars in the front of the MRT just for you. So even during rush hour, you can go up there and it's a lot less crowded. So we're getting ready to get off right now at Shaw Station, and then we're gonna make our way back towards north. So today we just wanted to show you just a little snippet of what it's like to ride the MRT. One frustrating thing about a lot of the stations is that a lot of them you actually have to go out of the station to get to the other side. And Shaw, this is like one of the only stations where you can just walk up the stairs and then go onto the other side. So a huge tip for the MRT is you're gonna wanna get on the correct side when you're going in. So just make sure to ask the guards, ask anyone around. I'm sure they'll be willing to help you figure out which side of the station you need to go on. So some of the main stations are, so North North Avenue is connected to Trinoma Mall, which is really convenient. You can access the station right from the mall. Quezon Ave station is connected to Centris Mall, so that's another convenient place to get on. Yeah, Shaw's a big hub. Ortigas is a big hub. Is this information helpful? Here comes MRT, guys. Right, this one's a little more crowded. You can see a lot of people are coming home from work right now, so it's a little more crowded. Okay, so this is more of what it's usually. So this is more of what it's usually like on the MRT. Just gonna have to squish your way inside. So a lot of people are coming home from work now. They're coming from Makati area, BGC area, from the south end, going back home to the north. So if you're wearing a backpack, most people will put it in front, and then they'll face the window. So if you're standing in the middle, face the window, put the backpack in front of you, just look out and see the view. Right, so here's the crowd. That concludes our little excursion on the MRT. Again, to recap, just make sure you get a beep card or a one-way fare from the kiosk. Just make sure to not be afraid of anyone. Just ask people for help. Follow the etiquette on the MRT, and just keep your valuables safe. Have a positive attitude. Smile. People will smile back at you. All right, hope that helps you. Let me know in the comments below what you think, or if you have any more questions. I myself have been living here in the Philippines almost 2 years, so I'm still getting used to things. So if there are tips or comments you can give me, that would be super helpful. Anyways, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. All right, guys, here we are on the MRT. We're on the MRT now. We're doing a secret operation here. We're trying to spy out and see if we can find the secret pot of money that's hidden below. Just kidding, I don't know what I'm talking about.